friends, welcome to SDT by Abhijit. In today's session, we are talking about how ChatGPT is helpful for every tester, every automation tester, every manual tester, and every employee working in IT field or any other field. So let's talk. So this is the interface of ChatGPT, which this showing here. This is visible to you when you are logging to the ChatGPT dashboard. So these are the example capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT. So here then below side there is a send message icon. So this is a request icon. You want to do any work, simply you need to put a request here. Suppose I want to send a mail to my manager for test execution was completed, my test is completed for a feature. So let's try it. So by pressing enter key, the request should be posted. So this is initializing. So the ChatGPT started generating results. We can see that. So this is a generated mail. Here the name, the test manager name, and this is the mail. So you can see that how the test ChatGPT is useful for generating mails, which is a simpler form to generate mail, which is not time consuming and save your time. So move towards next. In this session we are live using of ChatGPT, how to work with it. So that was a first example. Suppose you are writing a test cases on any of a software. So first step is a login page. So you need to write a test cases for login page. This is also a time consuming task. So try to write a test cases for login page by using ChatGPT. So we type here test cases for a login page. We try it out, it displays valid result or not. So this is generating test cases. Verify the login page is displayed properly. So this is the right test case. It is first. Verify the login page contains the appropriate fields such as username and password. Verify the user can enter valid login credentials, successfully login. So this contain positive test cases and negative test case also. So I think these are the right test cases for a login page. So this could be a second example of how we are work through this ChatGPT software. So we tried something another, that is for code, because here the example says how to make an HTTP request using JavaScript. So we can write a code. We want to write a code for any of the functionality. So write Java code to test, we can say here, that is drop down. Okay, so we send the request. So it's really awesome, ChatGPT generating a code. We need to just check that this code is right or not. So I think this is very lengthy code. Oh, it's so lengthy, but we check it is. So these are imports. Okay, system.set property. Here the web driver, Chrome driver was launched. This is a object. this is a driver.get, this is a our URL for application. Web element drop down, this is a location of that drop down. Select, this is a select, drop down is selected, this is a object, int expect number of extraction 3 in actual get options size. So this is a friends, this is the right code to test drop down. So we again post a request for to test a checkbox, Java code to test a checkbox, select or not. This is a code for checkbox. So here so here by using system.set property, WebDriver Chrome driver launched, and then this is a our URL, then web element here is find by name of a checkbox. So if checkbox is selected, then print the statement checkbox is selected by default. Here he clicks on checkbox, then the checkbox is selected, is not selected by after clicked. So this is the right code for checkbox validation. So friends, this is a very useful and helpful for peoples who are doing manual testing, automation testing. So we are doing getting much example on this in our next video. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.